Are you ready to join us on a thrilling ride through the world of Mullen Automotive? Strap in because we have some exciting news to share with you. From groundbreaking product developments to high-profile business partnerships, Mullen has been making headlines left and right. But what does it all mean for the company's future and its stock? Let us break it all down for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Mullen Automotive. First off, Mullen has shared an update on the company's recent progress and achievements in various areas, such as manufacturing facilities, energy programs, Bollinger Motors, and commercial and consumer EV programs. And as of April 30, 2023, the company has $116.1 million available for operations. Mullen Automotive has also made several exciting announcements lately, including advancements in its commercial and consumer vehicle programs, energy operations, and expansion into the European market. They moved their commercial vehicle equipment from Mishawaka, Indiana to Tunica, Mississippi to prepare for their Class 1 commercial vehicles. They set up an e-coat and paint facility for early prototype builds and added new enterprise data infrastructure to support volume manufacturing. Moreover, they are set to launch their Class 3 production line by July 2023. To prepare for this, they've added new trim and chassis assembly lines and invested in automated guided vehicles and robots. They even hired 35 additional teams to support their production growth. Furthermore, Bollinger Motors manufactures their commercial vehicles, B1 SUV and B2 pickup truck in Oak Park, Mississippi. The company is progressing excellently on its B4 chassis cab engineering, which is currently at 90% completion. And to stay on schedule, they've already begun testing their vehicles. Meanwhile, Mullen has resumed its B1 SUV program and displayed the B4 at major industry events such as the NTEA Work Truck Show and ACT Expo. Mullen's commercial vehicle program has also received a massive $263 million purchase order from Randy Marion Automotive Group for their Class 1 and Class 3 EV vans and trucks. This order has brought them closer to achieving their revenue goals, which are expected to be met by August 2023. The team is currently working hard to complete the necessary vehicle certifications and FMVSS tests to ensure Class 1 EV van crashworthiness and occupant safety validation. In addition to this, they have also conducted a successful customer pilot with Menzies at LA Airport, and they have recently announced the availability of the Class 3 pilot program. And customers can test these vehicles in specific commercial use case scenarios. Mullen's team is committed to providing their customers with high-quality EV vans and trucks and ensuring these vehicles meet the necessary safety standards. With their dedication and hard work, they are making great strides in the commercial EV industry. Now, over in Irvine, California, they're working hard on the Mullen 5 family of vehicles. That includes two versions of the 5 EV crossover and the supercharged Mullen 5 RS. By January 2024, they plan to show off what they've been working on at CES. In the meantime, they're running virtual simulations to ensure everything's up to snuff and picking out suppliers. If you're looking to catch a glimpse of these cars in action, be sure to mark your calendar for the August 2023 Strikingly Different EV Tour. Finally, Mullen partnered with Global EV Technology Incorporated and EV Technologies LLC to create Mullen Advanced Energy Operations LLC. Their main goal is to enhance energy management technology in electric vehicles, resulting in better performance and increased driving range. They're working with EV Technologies on a field pilot program contract for EMM technology with the Washington, D.C. city government, and as part of this project, they will install energy management modules on the city's vehicle fleet. Mullen also plans to introduce solid-state polymer battery technology for Class 1 EV cargo vans by the fourth quarter of 2023. On top of that, Mullen announced the opening of their first Mullen Go retailer in Ireland, which will cover the UK territory. They have also signed LOIs with new dealers in France and Spain and are finalizing a European after-sale support network for parts, services, and warranty. To further expand their presence in Europe, they are currently negotiating the purchase of property for their European operations headquarters. But before we continue, we want to thank you for watching this far. But let's now talk about what other MULN stock. But even with these exciting updates, Mullen Automotive faces a major problem with its stock. The Nasdaq exchange warned Mullen Automotive last year because their MULN stock stayed below $1 for 30 business days. This means that their stock could be removed from the exchange. However, the Nasdaq granted Mullen Automotive a 180-day extension to fix this issue, and the extension will end in the first week of September 2023. On May 2, Mullen stock experienced a significant increase after receiving a new order for EV trucks from Randy Marion Automotive Group. This caused Mullen to close 8.5% higher on the previous trading day. Currently, Mullen is displaying bullish behavior and selling pressure has declined, and buyers were able to break the previous bearish trend and reverse the overall momentum. Mullen is trading at $0.085 on the chart but remains below the 50-day and 200-day moving average. Mullen's 200-day moving average is $0.224 and its support level is $0.067, which has proven stable. The buyers have managed to maintain the stock price above this level. Mullen's resistance level is currently at $0.116 on the upside, but the first objective for the buyers will be to push the stock above the 50-day moving average. On May 3, 2023, at 12:50 Eastern Time, Mullen Automotive just made a big announcement. They will be doing a 1-for-25 reverse stock split of their common stock, which will take effect on May 4th. This move is aimed at bringing the company into compliance with a $1 minimum bid price requirement for maintaining its listing on the Nasdaq. If you're a Mullen stockholder, don't worry. Your percentage interest in the company's equity won't change. The reverse split will automatically combine and convert 25 current shares of Mullen's common stock into one issued and outstanding share of common stock. This news has been met with mixed reactions, with some analysts predicting that the reverse split could help boost the company's stock price, while others remain cautious, dragging the stock to $0.062 per share. Mullen Automotive Incorporated is expected to reveal its Q4 2022 outcomes soon. They haven't launched their first EV vehicle yet, but they recently delivered their first vehicle to Europe in December 2022. Moreover, Mullen Automotive announced a massive order for 6,000 EV vans from Randy Marion Group in Q4 of 2022, and the delivery started its deliveries last March 31. Nonetheless, it seems that Mullen will not surpass its earnings for Q4 2022, since most of its EV activities are still in the planning phase. Mullen Automotive anticipates yearly earnings per share of $1.30, which is less than its earlier projection of $1.35. It's not difficult for the electric vehicle company's stock to hit $1 due to the rapid growth of the EV market. But Mullen's latest deliveries show a new horizon, indicating a change in the company's pace. And with recent developments, Mullen's stock price could potentially reach $1 soon. Furthermore, the deals with RMA, Loop Global, and Global EV Technology could be positive catalysts for Mullen in 2023 and could give the company a much-needed boost. So, where do you think Mullen's stock price is headed next week? We'd love to know what you think, so please share them in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons as well. Now, if you want to know more about Mullen's new deal with another tech company, then make sure to click and watch this video right here and enjoy. And that's the end of this video, guys. See you next time.